Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy stroker engine. This is our 475 horsepower turnkey package, ready to go. Go over some of the highlights of the engine build here. You have the 4-bolt main, 1-piece rear main seal block, double roller timing chain in there, comp cams, roller camshaft, Edelbrock Etec 200 aluminum cylinder heads with the roller rocker arms fully adjusted. You have the 383 stroker black valve covers with the matching black intake manifold and a matching thermostat housing in black. Quick fuel 750 CFM carburetor. Throttle return springs on there, throttle cable ball, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor. It's real important for firewall clearance. We have the proper flex plate on there, end balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings are in there, gas filter with the Russell fuel lines, all the braided fuel lines on the carburetor. Every engine is live run for over an hour. All the settings will be set. You'll see a video of your engine running in stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. It'll be all set, ready to go. Turnkey ready. The timing will be set. The carburetor is fully adjusted. So there you have it. This is our 383 beautiful 475 horse turnkey engine ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.